Alright, so these threads are a little bit messed up. I'm going to try to chase these threads with another nut, not the nut that goes with this. The nut I got from the 7/16 nuts. See, they're flattened out in one spot. Looks like it was cross-threaded at one point or forced or something. I want to be able to torque this down okay. So there's the bad spot right there. You can see it. Let's see if this improves it. There's not a great spot either. Down lower. All right, give it a shot. It kind of rounded there.